ucoach Nabi we-Kaizer Chiefs ise-react-e noma se-comment-e ngendaba yokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs DDC iwine ilona-ke i-DDC yakhona lena i-PSL Reserve League. Uyasho ukuthi honestly i-moment enkulu for iklabhu. I-winning mentality kumele iqale vele kuma-young players, lokho kubaluleke kakhulu yabo. Uthi uyazi ukuthi i-team ye-Kaizer Chiefs isebenza kanzima for lapho, and i-team they're putting big effort kuma-development structures yabo. Uthi ungathanda ukuthatha lesikhathi lesikuthi a-congratulate wonke ama-players about this amazing journey, nanokuthi a-congratulate ilokhu njani i-technical staff lelidwa uVela Khumalo for amazing work that they've done this season yabo. So I think i-Kaizer Chiefs senior side, they have to look at i-DDC side, but if labafana they can do it, nathi we can do it, bathathe i-motivation from lapho. I think maybe they can try and improve from lapho, cause i-Kaizer Chiefs senior side iyastruggle ngempela ukuthi iwine amakhaphu, but-ke baku-Nedbank Cup final I think bangathatha they can take it from i-DD side ukuthi okay, if the youngsters can push, nathi we can push yabo. So asimuve siye kuPeter Shalulile lo eMamelodi Sundowns yabona ukukhuluma ngendaba yokuya ku-Club World Cup yabo. Uthi i-goal is to make it out of the group stages, kusho ukuthi bafuna vele ukuthi bawine ama-games ambalwa ukuthi baphume kuma-group stages, and uthi u-expect ukuthi i-team izokwazi ukukwenza lokho, because abafuni ukuya ku-competition nje ukuthi ba-add ama-numbers, but bafuna ukuba i-team or ama-opposition lawa ama-opponent awasabayo yabo. So uthi i-wonderful feeling ngempela ukuthi bawodlala ne-some of the best players in the world nama-best teams in the world, and uthi siyazi noma bayazi ukuthi bagudi kanjani lama-players lawa bawodlala against wona. Uthi ba-excited futhi ba-ready ukuthi bawodlala naye. So i-striker seMamelodi Sundowns-ke sineminyaka u-31 this side, uyasho ukuthi angayichaza i-attitude yabo yokuthi i-never say die attitude or never die attitude. Yonke le minyaka le Mamelodi Sundowns ibe nama-ups and down, but-ke bona they kept believing, they kept going forward, because bayazi ukuthi bona banani kubona yabona. Njengoba besazi ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns-ke ike yaluza ama-final or i-final against Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates ke yayinokha out few championships or-ke kulama-cup, domestic cups sisho kanjalo. But-ke uyasho ukuthi ama-ups and downs wabo I think yibo abenze yaba strong, and bayazi i-goal le-Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns ifunani, nanokuthi ifuna uku-achievani going forward, because the football is highly competitive. Eqinisweni ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns vele i-investa ekutheni compete nama-teams all over the world. For bona they've looked beyond South Africa ne-Africa yabo, bafuna ukudominate i-Africa, and then bafuna ukuya ku-Club World Cup bakhompithe, njengoba uShalulile ayikhulumile indaba ukuthi vele bafuna ukuwina ama-games laphana ukuthi bakwazi ukuya kuma-knockout stages, bathuse umhlaba wonke. Nanokuthi yena uthi u-excited, nanokuthi ufuna ukukhunjulwa njengomdlali obewashaya ngempela amagoli kuMamelodi Sundowns, and njengoba baya ku-CAF kulona ku-World Cup, i-chance yakhe vele ukuthi awashaye lawo magoli. So ubona ukuthi uShalulile uzodlala kanjani ku-Club World Cup if uzolithola ithuba lokuthi adlale, ngoba ngeke wazi yabo. Ngoba siyabona no-Sales naba bayavumbuka, bayafuna ngempela ukukhompitha, bazimisele. But yeah, I mean uShalulile is a good player man, nanokuthi umfana uyazimisela noma uzimisele manje, just season before izophela siyambona ukuthi uyalwa ngempela, uyakwazi ukuthi uphakamise isandla sakhe ukubonisa ukuthi uyalwa ngempela yabona. So Eric Tinkler, asikhulume ngo-Eric Tinkler lona coach eSkhukhune United, ushilo ukuthi Wednesday njengoba bebadlala ne-Orlando Pirates bebaluza ibhola kalula. Yabona uthi njengoba bebadlala ne-Pirates, phela i-Pirates ngeke uyinike i-spaces nama-opportunities, so kumele wenze kangcono ibhola mawulibambile ukuthi ukwazi ukuprotecta i-team yakho yabona. Uthi uyi-coach othanda ukudlala i-attractive football, akusiwu coach othanda like ukudlala ibhola one dimension, then-ke alishaye vele liya phambili. So uthanda ukudlala i-attractive football, so uthi kumele bazame ukushintsha igame yabo nangendlela abadlala ngayo, nangendlela abacabanga ngayo. Uthi i-position isimpuli, kuphela like ayikho good enough yabona. I-movement is not good enough. Uthi-ke kumele ba-improve kuwo wonke ama-aspects of the game. Kumele basebenze kanzima ukuthi ba-improve lapha yabona. But kushilo ukuthi kulesi sikhathi lesi sesizini ukudlala kanjalo kulama game lawo kunzinyana cause maningi ama-teams vele afuna ama-results. So uthi ucabanga ukuthi kumele bazame ukuthi bamaste ama-basics owamanje, and then next season-ke kulaba angazama khona uku-implementa i-game model e-different nange-system ne-understanding futhi ukuthi bafuna ukudlala kanjani as a team, and then badlale le bhola leli eli-attractive yabo.